Alright, so you want to start with the castor oil, putting the castor oil into a bowl, then followed by the castor oil, you want to put the aloe vera in on top of that. Just tap that out nice and gently. Make sure you have 1 tablespoon of each. You're going to go with about a capsule or a cap of the capsules. Just puncture a hole into the vitamin E capsules and make sure to squeeze out all of the gel. It will get oily, so just be careful when you are using the knife because you don't want to hurt yourself. Once you've got everything in the bowl, you just want to mix it. It'll be almost like an Elmer's glue consistency, kind of thick, milky looking, as you can see here. It'll be, like I said, Elmer's glue-ish. You're going to want to take a glass jar, or if you have an old makeup container, that might even be better than the glass jar. If you have like an old mascara container with a clean spoolie, you're definitely going to want to use a clean spoolie to apply this when you go in. So that's it there. You just want to, like I said, use that clean spoolie. I can't stress that enough. You really don't want to have any added bacteria or anything like that in there. You're going to want to store this mixture either room temperature or in the refrigerator. It's entirely up to you, but you're just going to want to go in and place a generous amount on the eyelashes, right down towards the follicles, and on the eyebrows as well. So just paint them on like you would normally paint on your eyebrows. Wherever you want these eyebrow hairs to grow, you're going to want to paint over those. You're going to want to use the spoolie, and if you have an ankle brush that you want to use, by all means do that. Once you're able to, and once you're done, you're going to want to go through and you're going to want to actually massage the oil mixture that we've made tonight into the follicles to really get in there nice and deep.
Hey, while we've still got you here, Martin has the light. Yeah, does Martin have the light? Hey, while we've still got you here, make sure to hit like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on our blog at briannaeileen.com, where we show daily DIY makeup routines and fashion, particularly pertaining to moms, and, you know, different mom tips and mom hacks. Isn't that right? Yeah. So I'm just going to reach for everything. Hit like, comment, subscribe, follow us on our blog at briannaeileen.com. Thanks so much for watching. We do appreciate it. And make sure you share this video with someone who you believe would benefit from it. Ciao.